Okay, so I want to thank Nailboo for sending over this kit here. This is the dip powder kit I did show you guys in the beginning. What it comes with, and it also comes with this little booklet right here. That is so cute, and it's like well made. It's laminated and everything. So as you guys see, this one comes with like a base and the actual color. I never had a dip kit that come with that, so we're gonna go ahead and look at the instructions because I want these applied correctly. You do see some dust here because I already started prepping my nails. We're gonna go over that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start, and we're gonna show you, and then we're gonna see the end result. And you guys, I'm a little bit under the weather. My son got me sick, so therefore, you know how that goes. I'm getting sick. It looks like you just coat it like regular and then apply the white, apply the base, which is the white first. And then you apply this to build the nails, I guess. Brush it off, allow it to dry, apply the second layer of base, and then dip the color. Okay, so you apply, I guess, 2 layers of the base. So we're gonna get to it. I saw this, that you're supposed to shake up your colors. So, you know, I'm not a nail tech, so I didn't go to school for anything, so I just do what I'm told to do. And I really do hope this is red, not pink. It looks like it's red, but so this is real packaged. Like, it got the foil in there and everything, so it's not just coming out as soon as I open it. If you guys could like these nail content videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later.